In this video, we are towing the wrecked school bus seen around this map.
We disabled the map so it adds up the challenge.
This will take a while by walking by legs, so I put some music to it.
Finally found the school bus, totally in flames.
And it is also tireless, so we need to repair it, and use the nearest tractor near the oasis to make pulling easier and drag it to the nearest repair station to remove the flames from the engine.
We finally repaired the school bus's tires with just a blink of an eye.
And driving this bus feels hot for the driver's seat. repaired the bus.
drive it peacefully without the fiery hot engine.
We finally teleported the school bus using magic.
And we customized the school bus with a blink of an eye.